Finding the best air fryer on the market can be tricky because everyone has different needs. Some people want a quick and easy way to cook, while others are looking for the crispiest fries possible. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I've put together a list of the top 5 air fryers of 2025, from budget-friendly options to high-end models. If you want to make healthy, delicious meals fast and get the best value for your money, this list is for you. So let's not waste any time. Let's dive in. Number 5. Ultenic K10. It may not be a household name like some big brands, but the Ultenic K10 is here to prove it deserves a spot on the list. With a 5-liter, 5.3-quart capacity, it can whip up to 4 servings of your favorite crispy treats. Whether you're cooking for yourself or feeding a small crowd, this air fryer has got your back. But is it just an air fryer? Not at all. With 11 preset cooking modes, you can get perfect results at the touch of a button. And thanks to its smart app connectivity, you can control everything remotely. No more waiting around in the kitchen. And here's the best part. The included recipe book is packed with inspiration, helping you make everything from crispy fries and juicy chicken to healthy veggie snacks. Less oil, more flavor, that's the deal. With its sleek design, durable build, and smart features, the Ultenic K10 is a total game-changer for your kitchen. Do you think this fryer deserves a spot on the best air fryers list? Number 4. Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501. Cosori Air Fryer, flavor and health combined. You're probably used to the big names in the air fryer world, but Cosori is a strong contender looking to make a mark. While it might not be as well known as Instant Ninja or Philips, it definitely holds its own. Cosori isn't just about air fryers, they also offer practical kitchen products like food dehydrators, kettles, and bread makers. But today we're diving into the magic of the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501. It all starts with how it works. The hot air cooking method requires 85% less oil than deep frying. This means not only a healthier meal experience, but also crispy favorites like chicken wings and fries without losing their crunch. This model from Cosori comes with a 5-liter basket, which is perfect for feeding a family of 4. So whether you're preparing meals for guests or your family, you'll have plenty of space to work with. For anyone wanting to enjoy delicious, healthier meals with less oil but more flavor, the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is a game-changer. Whether it's a quick dinner or snacks to impress your friends, Cosori is the new helper in your kitchen, the best air fryers list. Number 3. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Are you ready to discover a game-changing kitchen gadget? Meet the Instant Vortex Plus 140-308-801, the ultimate air fryer that's about to completely change the way you cook. It's perfect for cooking meals for up to 4 people, and with its sleek design, it's definitely going to be the star of your kitchen. With its touchscreen controls and tilted display, using this air fryer is as easy as it gets, and it looks super stylish too. Unlike most other air fryers, this one has a window in the drawer so you can actually watch your food cook and keep an eye on the process. Who wouldn't want to see how their food is turning out, right? The air fryer, grill, and dehydrate functions give you a ton of cooking options to experiment with. Plus, with 6 preset cooking modes, you can customize the time and temperature settings to your liking, save them for next time, and get perfect results every single time. If you're looking for quick, easy, and delicious meals, the Instant Vortex Plus will be your new best friend in the kitchen. Number 2. Typhur Dome Air Fryer. At $499, the Typhur Dome is definitely on the pricey side when it comes to air fryers. Thinking, that's expensive? You're not wrong. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, Instant's models under $350 are solid options. But here's the deal. No other air fryer on the market does what this one can do. This thing isn't just an air fryer, it's a game-changer for your kitchen. It's got the perfect size, crazy fast cooking times, and a few seriously useful extras. The best part? It cleans and dries itself. No more scrubbing or wiping after every use. This means you can actually use it every single day without the hassle. It's not just some fancy kitchen gadget, it's a real upgrade for people who want to take their cooking to the next level. Honestly, it might even replace your microwave. So, is it worth the price? Number 1. Ninja Double Stack Air Fryer. Looking to save space and time in the kitchen? Then let me introduce you to the Ninja Double Stack Air Fryer. Ninja is already a king of convection cooking, and this time they've brought us a sleek, compact, and super powerful solution. This air fryer cuts down cooking time like a champ. Crispy fries, perfectly cooked chicken. You get it all, fast and evenly cooked. Traditional dual-drawer air fryers can be huge and take up too much space. But with its stacked design, the Ninja Double Stack saves space without sacrificing capacity. Plus, thanks to VersaZone technology, you can cook different foods at different temperatures at the same time. Less oil, more flavor. If you've got a small kitchen, love hosting guests, or just want a powerful air fryer that doesn't take up your whole counter, this is exactly what you need. Easily one of the best air fryers I've ever used. Ninja really changed the game with this one. What do you think makes the perfect air fryer?